Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For today, I'm going to show you how to find your images or create your own Discord server with the AI image generation program called WILLOW. WILLOW is one of the many AI image generation programs out there today that turns text prompts into beautiful AI-generated images. So first things first, you want access to the Discord server of WILLOW. Once you're there, you can easily input some text prompts by using the command /imagine in order to start generating any kind of image that you wish. By simply typing in the prompt that you wish to generate, WILLOW will do the rest and give you a beautiful and stunning AI-generated image. The main problem comes from trying to find all the images that you're trying to generate. Since it's so easy for the image you're trying to generate to be buried in the flood of all these user inputs. Usually the best way to find your image is to click on the inbox icon on the upper right corner, find your mentions, or click on the For You tab, and this is where you'll find all the image generations that WILLOW has created for you, since the program is designed to tag your account whenever you generate an image. Now, if you wish to invite WILLOW to your own personal Discord server, simply click on the WILLOW icon on the upper right corner and invite him to your server of choosing. This way, you can go to that server where WILLOW is a part of and generate images from there. Since you're generating images from your own personal Discord server, you won't ever have to worry about losing track of where your generated images are. For example, here, we can now generate a WILLOW image just from our tutorial personal Discord server. It may take some time though, and you can definitely speed up the process by joining a WILLOW subscription model. And that's really all there is to using WILLOW and finding the images that it has generated for you. And that's all the time we have for this episode. Thanks so much for watching. And if you have any other comments or inquiries, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.